Wait, it's the kids next door?
I was hitting niggas with them grams when they was coming raw. Too many niggas acting different, I had to cut them off. The ones that stay be trying to slide, shit, it's up to y'all. And niggas rather talk behind my back, now they can't even call me. When Gabe died, the block know I was feeding the team. We was trapping all night, nigga, like, what do you mean? Summer nights and police lights, it like we living a dream. My money said don't ever let these bitches get in between. Caught a case, became a felon, I just couldn't believe. When Fabi said my bitch was fucking, I just wouldn't believe it. I tried to teach you all my lessons, but you couldn't receive it. Cause you was chilling with people that would never be equal. I'd rather get up and leave you, cause you couldn't even see it. All the stress turned me to a zombie, just like Resident Evil. You said the love I gave was toxic, so it's best I don't see you. So I just sit with my demons, they protecting my ego. I ride around with this glizzy, put no trust in these people. And as this world keep turning and these bitches keep burning, sticking to myself cause ain't nobody I'm concerned with. I seen everybody change, wasn't by no money. Can't wait to do my bid and come home, niggas acting funny, I can't call it. It's me and my strap, no I ain't talking. Swear to God, one of y'all niggas gon' be dead in that coffin. Swear to God, this 40 plays, Simon says when I spark it. All these niggas broke on the benches claiming they ballin'. I was hitting niggas with them grams when they was coming raw. Too many niggas acting different, I had to cut them off. The ones that stay be trying to slide, shit, it's up to y'all. And niggas rather talk behind my back, now they can't even call me.